Hi, my name is Zara and today I'm going to show you a festive science experiment. Candy cane oobleck. For this experiment you'll need some cornflour, some peppermint essence, some red food colouring, water and something to mix it all up in. This can get a bit messy, so I'd also recommend wearing an apron and rolling up your sleeves. To make oobleck you need a ratio of 2 parts cornflour to 1 part water. Then mix it all up. Now for the fun bit. Try running your fingers through the oobleck. It should behave like a liquid. This time, try slapping it. It behaves like a solid. When the cornflour mixture is under pressure, like when you slap it, the flour molecules are squeezed together and it behaves like a solid. But when it's not under pressure, like when you move your fingers slowly through it, the molecules can move past each other, so it acts like a liquid. For a bit of festive fun, let's add some peppermint essence and some red food colouring. Give it a swirl and you've just made your oobleck look like a beautiful Christmas candy cane. It also makes your hands smell incredible. That's all there is to it. Have a go at home and I hope you have an amazing Christmas break. Bye!